No. Sneeze. Sneeze, Izzy. Sneeze. You must sneeze. You must sneeze. You must sneeze snot out your eyeballs. Make a snot rainbow. Just sneeze it. Sneeze it. Sneeze it, Izzy. Come on, sneeze. Sneeze, Izzy. Sneeze, come on. Just do it. Do it. Sneeze. Sneeze. And let you tickle my toe. Sneeze pizza sauce for your... Sneeze pizza sauce for your ears. Just sneeze. Sneeze. Sneeze, sneeze, sneeze. Sneeze, sneeze. Sneeze in Marco's butt. Just sneeze. Izzy, come on. Sneeze. 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 Sneeze, Izzy. Ooh. 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 Sneeze. Come on, Izzy. Sneeze. Sneeze pudding out of your... Sneeze pizza sauce out of your ears.
Get that bowl.
Sneeze, Izzy. It's your duty
Fixing
to
to leave, okay?
sneeze in the galaxy. Sneeze. Izzy, there's a disturbance in the force, and I think you gotta sneeze. That's a disturbance. Sneeze on Darth Vader's eyeballs. Sneeze Darth Vader to death. Just sneeze in any way you can sneeze. You must sneeze.
See, you are not right.
Darth Maul wants you to sneeze. This disturbance in the force is unknown. I think Izzy has to sneeze. But we do not know. Bye.